Attention rising tech professionals, not doctors, not lawyers. I'm reaching out specifically to those of you in the tech industry. You're doing great, but unlike doctors and lawyers, you're not getting paid entirely in cash. Chances are your company offered you incentive stock options or restricted stock units. On one hand, cash would be easier. Can't they just cut me a check instead of overwhelming me with more documents, more terms, and more acronyms? On the other hand, if you plan carefully, these equity awards could work out really well for you. Whether you're a software engineer, work in marketing or HR, whether you're at a larger tech company or one that's gearing up to go public, that's where I come into play. I can help you better understand your equity compensation package and develop a plan to make the most of it. If you'd like to have a chat about your equity awards, schedule a Zoom meeting with me or simply start with an email. With a little prudence and a little patience, you can plan now and live well.